I'm Hamish, and any serious gardener knows the most important equipment for gardening is not Wellington boots, not a trowel, but a good pair of socks. I'm part of the SOCKSHOP family, and for over 35 years we've been designing, creating and distributing the world's finest sock brands. We are thrilled to partner with the amazing Royal Horticultural Society, an institution for over 200 years in British gardening. This collaboration blends SOCKSHOP's warmth, comfort and durability with designs inspired by the RHS Lindley Collections, the world's finest collection of botanical art. Let me tell you about what makes these socks so special. If you speak to any gardener, they'll tell you that wellies can be cold, rubbery and uncomfortable. But to make any pair of good wellies great, you need to have a fantastic pair of socks. And our RHS and SOCKSHOP collection is just that. Using heat holders and Blue Guard technology, they make any pair of wellies warm and comfortable, leaving you to garden with a smile on your face. A day in the garden can be tough on your body. When you come inside, what you want is comfort, which is why we've used the SOCKSHOP Gentle Grip. We've combined our Gentle Grip non-binding technology with the beautiful RHS-inspired patterns and colours. When gardeners are not in the garden, they're probably thinking about the garden, which is why our RHS SOCKSHOP printed socks are the perfect gift for any horticulture and botanicals lover. We know that these socks will be perfect for your customers, so let's get a call in soon so that we can discuss this opportunity of how we can work together.